Melt belly fat fast with these 5 exercises. First, the dead bug. Keep your core engaged as you alternate limbs. This builds deep abdominal strength, perfect to do right in bed.
Exercise 1. Dead bug. Engage your core. Slowly lower your right arm behind your head and extend your left leg to a low hover. Keep your abs tight and glowing red. Keep your hips elevated. Pulse your knees outward, engaging your glutes and outer thighs. Now, slowly bring them back together. Repeat. Exercise 3 is called bent knee windshields, which tones the obliques. Start with your knees bent at 90 degrees, arms spread.
Start by lowering your limbs from the dead bug position. Now, lift your hips up into a high bridge. Extend one leg straight, keeping your pelvis level. Lower your foot and hold. Now, lie on your back with your knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower one heel to tap the floor. Keep your lower back completely flat. Engage your deep transverse abdominis. Set up in a side plank. Lower your hips toward the floor. Lift them back up and repeat. Now let's begin. Hold it here. Welcome to your modern wellness lab. Subscribe for more daily fitness routines.